My question, 19 of 2017, which on what the paper of today is directed to the Minister of Local Government, Housing, Environment and Transport and Infrastructure. Sorry. The question is, has the ministry has done any progress on the rainwater harvest? Progress, thank you. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. I give the floor to the Honourable Minister for Local Government, Housing, Environment, Infrastructure and Transport.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I also thank the Honourable Member because this gives me an opportunity to update this Honourable House on what our government's plan for this program. Madam Speaker, this scheme is provided under the Ministry through the Water Authority of Fiji in collaboration with Ministry of Rural and Maritime Development. Madam Speaker, the officers of the District Commissioners and ROCOs also identify communities in need of tanks. Madam Speaker, as of 26 January 2017, a total of 3,062 applications have been received from the non-metered customers around the country. There were 348 from Central Division, 1,339 from the North, 2 from the Eastern Division, and 1,373 from the West. Madam Speaker, in addition, a total of 12 applications were received from metered customers, with 8 from Central Division and 4 applications were from West. Madam Speaker, the rainwater harvesting scheme is expected to benefit about 4,000 homes, and the cost of 5,000 litre tank is around $900. Madam Speaker, as we recall, the total of 4.5 million was allocated in the budget for this program. Madam Speaker, for the information of this Honourable House, the requirements and screening that needs to be met in order to qualify for the assistance is for the household to provide a base of the installation of the tank and to have a proper guttering system together with a proper down pipe to channel water into the water tank. Madam Speaker, to date, a total of 128 households have benefited from the rainwater harvesting scheme, and 2,108 applications, Madam Speaker, have been processed and approved and ready for distribution and installation. Madam Speaker, this is the first time that such program is in place by the Fiji First Government. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. And now I invite questions from the House, if any. Honourable Director.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I thank the Minister for his reply on this program. I think this is a very temporary program because it doesn't help the people in the area, because not every household is provided with a water tank. The question I want to ask the Minister, what about the water articulation in Tailevu North and the Central Division from Namau and Viria? When will that come into effect? Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I don't agree with Honourable Member that this is a temporary measure. As I've said earlier on, that this program was initiated in the last budget, and this is given to the settlements and villages where we don't have metered water pipe. And this is to collect the rainwater. And in absence of rainwater, definitely the cutting will take place. But to say that it's a temporary measure, I don't agree, because this program is not only for this year, but this will continue next year as well. So that's the program that we have in place, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. Honourable Rocky Lenaki.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Pardon me. The Honourable Minister has mentioned over 2,000 tanks have been approved. My simple question is, when will be the distribution for the recipients will be waiting for the answer. Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I just said that the process has taken place and around 2,000 applications have been approved, and now the distribution will take place. The distribution authority is Water Authority and Commissioner's Office. And the target is to supply all these tanks within 6 months. Thank you, Minister.
Honourable Ratan.
Thank the Minister for the reply given so far regarding this scheme. I understand that Botulele is one of the areas that also applied for this assistance. How far, what's the progress on that request, Honourable Minister?
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, as I've mentioned, and I've also stated that the applications received based on the divisional. I cannot say out of that 1,300 which I've said for the Western Division, whether that particular application is in there or no, whether it has been approved or no. But let me say this, that whatever application that has been received has been approved and processed. But if the Honourable Member wants further confirmation on that, definitely I can provide that. Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Noikulu.
Minister stated 239 applications for rainwater application. But the Minister will know very well that the last time I made a statement here and I pledged, there were 13 villages that were waiting for the ordinary supplies, and it goes back 5 years. Villages including Wusa, and I've got 13 villages. So in terms of priority, which one comes first? Do these villages, does the rainwater come first, or the ordinary reticulation, which they have been waiting for 5 years? Will they still have to wait now, or in terms of priority, which one comes first? Will they be addressed, these or the rainwater programs?
Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Let me correct Honourable Minister. He said that I have mentioned 128 applications received. What I said was that already 128 households have been benefited from this project. Now going back to what he's saying, which one is priority? There is no priority of this rainwater system. It is assistance that is given to the villages and settlements, but as far as the reticulation is concerned, that is the program that Water Authority has got in place, and that will take its normal course based on the allocation, budget allocation. But in the meantime, wherever there is assistance required for this rainwater tank, definitely we will move in and we will give it. Thank you.
Thank you. There being no other question,